Let me show you how to create a new account. Go to the website, click Sign Up. Enter your username. Add your email. Type your password twice. Add your messenger handle. Agree to the terms. Click Sign Up. Complete the CAPTCHA. Just make sure you use your real email. You'll need it if you forget your password or want to get an API key later. That's it, pretty simple. Click Sign Up again. Now check your inbox. If you don't see the email, look in your spam folder too. And please mark it as not spam. Open the email. Click the verification link. And you're done. Your account is ready to go.